We'll guide you through how to animate walking in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy entry into animation without needing advanced skills or expensive software. Open Krita and click File then New to begin your project. Set the canvas size according to your needs and click Create to confirm. Next, click Window then Workspace then Animation to switch into the correct layout. Make sure the timeline is visible. If it is not, go to Settings then Dockers and enable Timeline. Also enable the animation docker from Settings then Dockers so all controls are accessible. Go to the Layers panel, click Add Layer, choose Paint Layer, and rename it to Stickman. Select the brush tool and draw a simple standing stick figure as your starting pose. Now go to the timeline, right-click Frame 0, and click Create Blank Frame. Turn on onion skin to see previous drawings. Move to Frame 1 and create another blank frame. Move one leg forward and move the opposite arm forward, keeping the body slightly leaning forward for balance. Move to Frame 2 and create a blank frame. Bring the legs closer under the body while the arms pass the center position naturally. Then move to Frame 3 and create another blank frame. Switch the legs position and switch the arms in the opposite direction to complete the basic walking cycle. Repeat these steps as needed to refine the motion and ensure the animation flows smoothly from one frame to the next without sudden jumps or stiffness. Adjust timing in the timeline if necessary to control speed and improve the overall movement quality before previewing the final animation playback for consistency and clarity in motion across all frames created during the process above for a clean result overall in your animation project workflow setup today easily and clearly done here. Continue practicing by adding more frames between poses to create smoother transitions and more natural movement in your Stickman animation. Keep using onion skin as a guide for consistent spacing and positioning of limbs.